In this video, we will try to build the u-boot binary, which we are going to use for getting the u-boot console in RPI 3B. Okay, so basically I have installed a virtual machine in my Mac PC, and here I will try to basically install the toolchain, and then using that toolchain I will try to build the u-boot. Okay, so let's try to first install the toolchain. So we have to install this toolchain u-boot tools, then gcc arc64 arc64 -linux gnu. Then we have to install this vision tool, then we have to install flex tool, then libssl development version. And after installing this, we will basically clone the u-boot. Okay, so some other tools also I have to install, so that tools I will directly copy from my another PC to this one. Okay, and after this we have to basically clone the why this is saying device tree is not found, device tree compiler is not found, this command. Once this is done, we will try to do the earlier command where we'll remove the device tree compiler. Okay, others are already installed in my system. Okay, so after this basically we will clone the u-boot and then set the cross compiler. Okay, so let me clone the u-boot. Let's clone the u-boot. This is the command to clone the u-boot, and after cloning we have to go inside and do a clean build. After that, let's go inside u-boot and do the clean build. Make rpi_3_def config, basically setting the default configuration of RPI 3B. Okay, after this we will build it just by setting the cross compiler and just build it. Okay, let's proc and proc. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so our u-boot.bin is ready. Now we will transfer this u-boot to our TFTP private to our Mac system. From there we'll copy to SD card. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so basically we have to copy the u-boot.bin. So we will copy the u-boot.bin to TFTP, and now we will basically load this load that file inside SD card. So let me insert the SD card. So I have inserted the SD card. Here we don't see anything, any file. Why? Oh, there is no file. Okay, it's already clean. Let me try again one more time. Yeah, so here there is nothing. Basically we have to put a total 4 files inside this. Okay, those 4 files are that I will tell you. Just give me a second. before that, actually using that tool chain, we want to just build a C code, so and see whether that is showing as an executable on the ARM A64 or not. Okay, that we will try. So this, where is my Linux PC? So here just what I will do, I will just open edit temp.c. Okay, I'll write just one main function, then return 0. Okay, save it, save this, and then we will build this. Okay, using that tool chain. So that tool chain is sorry, why it is arc64 genuine, and we want to check with the GCC, right? GCC, why it is not coming in one go? GCC, and then temp. That file was here only, why it is not showing? Okay, we have two files, that's why. Temp.c, and output will take in just temp. Okay, so we'll have temp file. Now we will just check the temp file. Okay, so it is saying it's an ELF 64-bit LSB by executable on ARM64, dynamically linked. Okay, so dynamically linked is fine, so at least it's not stripped version and it's a 64-bit. Okay, so basically we can whatever u-boot we have built it, that can be loaded in our RPI because it can support 64-bit. Okay, so let's we have already copied it. Now let's go to that tftp boot, and from there we'll copy. So inside private tftp boot, we have to copy the, why it is not showing me access to this. Okay, so let me bring this here. Not private, then tftp. Yes, so now let's copy this u-boot.bin to our u-boot.fs, and apart from this we need one config file. Okay, that config file we will create here, and then we will put the contents of that config file. So the total 4 files is needed. Okay, so those 4 files I will tell you. Just one second. So one is actually we have to paste this item here. So this config should have total 2 things. One is ARM64 and kernel should be u-boot. No need of this. Okay, and also we don't need to write this, so these 2 things we need here. Okay, let's save this. After this we have to copy the we have to copy some other files also. So that other file is, we need bootcode.bin we need, and then we need start.elf. so let me find bootcode.bin. That bootcode.bin you can download also from the okay, that bootcode.bin I can tell you can download also. Okay, so for now that link I will give in the description. Okay, for now what I will do, I will just get those files. Which file you need? Not TDSI, you need u-boot. If I will not find it, I will download it from the location. Okay, so this file I am not finding. Okay, so let me download it. So that file name is u-boot.bin, that I have to download for RPI3B. Okay, so directly I can go to the RPI, build RPI3B, enable. One more thing we have to add in config.txt. We have to get the uart, right? So enable uart also will set, so that we can get some prints. Okay, so enable uart also I have saved it. Okay, Control S. So these things are fine, but we need that u-boot code. Okay, let me find the RPI 3B source code. From there we can download RPI 3Bs. I'm searching for that. There should be one repo which should be hosting this. Okay, let me search in RPI 3B source code. So from other way is to, you have to basically download it and then unzip it. I just want to download that file instead of downloading everything. That's why I'm searching for that. So firmware, inside RPI firmware boot. So in ELF file, yeah, so I found it, that this file basically I want to download. So let me show you the file. So basically in RPI you have to give and go, and in RPI boot firmware, and then boot folder bootcode.bin will be there, and this file you can download this file. Okay, so once you download it, it will come to download location, downloads. Okay, now copy this file. Basically you have to copy this file, go bootfs and then paste it. So we have this file also, and the other file which we need is that one also. I will tell you one more file we need it. So that is start.elf. Start.elf also you can get it from there, from the same location, start.elf. That file also you can download from the same location. Okay, so I have downloaded both of these files, and I will just copy those files from downloads and paste here. Okay, so these four files you need, and after that I will eject this SD card. Okay, so I have ejected successfully. Now I will take this and put it on RPI. Okay, so now let's first open the PicoCom. Okay, and I will reinsert. I have reinserted the SD card in my RPI 3B, and now I will power up. Okay, so now you can see that u-boot console is coming up. Okay, so once you get this console, now we have access to all the RAM. So all the binaries which I have built for FreeRTOS or Zephyr, that I can directly load from the u-boot. And this u-boot.bin is actually a little bit tough to generate, so that maybe you will not have the Mac system, or maybe your Linux system will take a lot of time. So I will attach this u-boot.bin to this in the description. Okay, from there you can download. Okay, thanks.